Welcome to Part 2 of CPDC's video series on Monitoring and Evaluation, or M&E. In this video, we will examine the two levels of monitoring and their processes, the steps for completing evaluation, and take a quiz about the monitoring levels and evaluation steps. Monitoring may be carried out within your organization and at the level of the donor. Level 1. Organization or team monitoring. At this level, monitoring of activities is carried out through examination of actual actions and ongoing data collection. The manager reviews the progress in terms of spending, use of resources, the completion, timeliness, and results of work activities. Level 2. Donor agency monitoring. The second tier of monitoring happens when the donor visits to review periodic reports prepared by the manager, sometimes virtually. This is the way the donor keeps track of how things are going and measures performance. Now let's talk about the evaluation process. Evaluations may be carried out during the work or project cycle to assess how things are going. For example, at a midpoint, which may be called a midterm evaluation. Evaluation may also be carried out at the end of a work or project to assess the effect of what was done. These may be referred to as post-evaluation, final evaluation, impact evaluation, or summative evaluation. Here are some steps to consider when planning and doing a work evaluation. Step 1. Decide which type of evaluation is necessary. Things to consider when deciding which best suits your work. Why do you need this information? For example, would you like to assess how things are going or the effect of what was done or both? What are the requirements of every key stakeholder? What is the purpose of the work? And are external evaluators needed? Step 2. Identify the areas to be evaluated. Highlight which part of the work needs to be evaluated based on the donor and the work process. Step 3. Plan data collection. Select indicators for each area of the work and specify data sources needed to report on the indicators. Step 4. Action plan. Determine who will be part of the evaluation team and their responsibilities. Here, you create the budget and detailed schedule for doing the evaluation. Step 5. Data analysis. Once the data has been collected, analyze it. The key is to correctly interpret the data and make sense of what is being reported, both good and bad. Step 6. Report on the findings and produce a follow-up plan. Let key stakeholders examine the results and recommendations in the evaluation report. Create a follow-up plan after the evaluation is completed to ensure application of the findings. Now for the quiz. What are two levels of monitoring? And what are the steps for planning your evaluation? Rewind if needed or pause this video until you are ready for the answers. Here are the answers. We wish you the best with your work. Please review this two-part series whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for watching.